This is a fit for a 2018 and beyond GMC Terrain. We've outfitted this vehicle with the Yakima TimberLine JetStream base roof rack system. This system consists of the TimberLine tower and the aluminum extruded JetStream load bar. This load bar is 50 inches in length. The overall weight carrying capacity for these two bars is 165 pounds, evenly distributed. We currently have these bars at 29 inches center to center. Maximum crossbar spread on this vehicle is 37 inches. This product, along with a full line of Yakima products, are available at rackoutfitters.com. Please visit our website for complete details, pricing, and our promotions.